If you're getting the Roblox detected a security threat error with a reference ID, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and effective fixes to get Roblox working again. Just follow each step carefully. First, let's start with the most important part. Make sure you installed Roblox from the official Google Play Store. If you downloaded Roblox from any third-party website before, uninstall it right now. This removes any unofficial or modified files. Once that's done, open the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and install the official version. This alone fixes the issue for many people because Roblox recently added a security system that blocks modified or unofficial app versions. Now, let's check your phone's developer settings. On some devices, Roblox detects this feature as a security risk. Here's how to turn it off. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Scroll down again and tap Developer Options. Now turn off the developer options. This has solved the issue for a lot of players. Next, we need to make sure your device isn't rooted. Roblox will not run on rooted devices after the new update. So if your device is rooted, or even if it was rooted in the past, Roblox can detect that and show the security threat message. To fix this, you'll need to unroot your device. After unrooting, remove any leftover root-related apps like KingRoot, iRoot, Root Checker, or Root File Managers. Even if your phone is no longer rooted, these apps can still trigger the warning. Next, check if you're using any modded or modified version of Roblox. If you ever installed a Roblox mod, exploit APK, or anything similar, Roblox's security system will block it instantly. So delete any modded Roblox apps and stick to the official version only. If you followed all the steps above and the error still appears, don't worry, there's one last thing you can do. Simply wait for Roblox to fix the bug. This issue is happening to many players, especially on Huawei phones using Gbox or Gspace, because those apps create a virtual Google environment. The Roblox team is already aware of the problem, and that's it. After following all these steps, the Roblox detected a security threat error should be completely fixed. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.